Hello, myself Suma Nair from Mumbai. My experience about this Go Nature workshop, it has been tremendously enriching. Right from the way one has to lead life for a healthy life to the values that one needs to imbibe in ourselves for a happy life. Everything has been touched upon in this workshop. It's like a plethora of knowledge of information that is being served in front of you, and I just can't stop absorbing each and every word that is being mentioned in the workshop by Vishal sir. My experience, I would say, before the workshop, yes, we had little knowledge, little information that is being collected in bits and pieces from Google, from magazines, from newspapers, from TV. But now those bits and pieces, they are falling into, they are making a whole picture. It's making sense because now we know the logical way in how one has to take up a diet, or in order to have something, or how to do certain things in a proper way that will bring maximum benefit to us. Yes, I would recommend naturopathy to my friends, to my well wishers, to my relatives, everyone, because this is the way we need to live in a very natural way. My message to Go Nature members, to Vishal sir, the pioneer of Go Nature, is that you all are doing a wonderful job. The kind of dedication